Listen to a lecture in a geology class.
In geology, sedimentary layers are often treated as a chronological record, with deeper layers assumed to be older than those above them. While this principle generally holds, geologists must be cautious when interpreting rock sequences, because geological processes can significantly disrupt the original order of deposition. One common source of disruption is tectonic activity. When tectonic plates collide, rock layers can be folded, tilted, or even overturned. In some mountain ranges, layers that were originally deposited horizontally are now nearly vertical. As a result, relying solely on position can lead to incorrect conclusions about relative age. Another complication arises from erosion. Entire layers may be partially or completely removed before newer sediments are deposited. For example, in parts of the Grand Canyon, large gaps exist in the geological record where erosion removed millions of years' worth of rock before deposition resumed. These gaps, known as unconformities, can make the timeline appear deceptively continuous. To address these challenges, geologists rely on multiple lines of evidence. Fossil assemblages provide one method. If two rock layers contain similar fossil species, they are likely to be of comparable age, even if their physical positions differ. Radiometric dating offers another tool by measuring the decay of radioactive elements, allowing scientists to assign approximate numerical ages. By combining structural analysis, fossil evidence, and radiometric data, geologists can reconstruct Earth's history more accurately, even when surface appearances are misleading.
Now answer each question based on what you hear in the lecture.